Hi guys, so welcome back. I'm doing this. This is the part 2. So we have a different. This is like dial something. So and we're going to be trying this one out. So you same ingredients, but this I think is a hand soap or a body soap. But I like this one because it's a really pretty color. It is really thick, so this might work out. I'm not sure. I have some salt in this nail thing. I know I shouldn't have it right here, but so just take a little pinch of salt. Just dip it in there if you would like to. Do it that way. Just a little, not much. Your slime should really it should really thicken up, and yeah. And I'm taking a 2.5 pinches, so about that much. I'm not even a full hand pinch, and I'm gonna use all of that up, and because I have pretty much a lot in there, and then you're gonna let that sit in the freezer. So for not a lot of time, just a couple of minutes, because this is, I think, some type of body washer. And the one that I did in part 1, we're gonna see if it worked or it didn't work. So let's put this in the freezer. You guys are charging right now, so. Can't move, you guys. This is what it looks like. And it actually grew bigger because it's been in like so many freezers. I put it in the deep freezer, put it back. It was just crazy. So we're gonna go ahead and make. Oh my god! You can touch it. It's not like really touchable, but it worked a little. It just leaves that much, but when you clump it together, it works super well. So that means if we keep it in there a little longer, it's gonna be working some time, so you could touch it. So we're actually gonna put that back. So hold up, you guys. Just doing some stuff in here. So while that's waiting, why don't we have some unicorn ice cream from Smith Dairy from my dad's job? This one.
Hey, Dante. You busy? Well, huh? You didn't clean me up today or tomorrow? Okay, that's cool. That works for me.
Yeah, that's dirty. Nice.
I'm sorry?
Oh, this was dirty.
Oh, okay.
Something.
Little JJ.
I'll just use it. Yep, that's
What,
dirty.
you making something?
Not ice cream. It's all the skin and stuff.
That's a lot in
But I can't find the ice cream scooper.
Ice cream scoop. You got ice cream?
Yeah.
Let me see if I can help you. Sometimes when you're excited about seeing something, your eyes can't focus. That's how it is sometimes.
I know Grandma has one.
Did you look in here?
No. Because it's usually in the dishes. Because it's little. Oh,
There it is. Girl.
that is little.
Girl, please. You just wait. It just depends on your Uncle Al. Hey, Uncle Al, the kitty's pal.
And I can't reach the bowls.
Oh, okay. Let me see if I help you. Which one you want?
It doesn't really matter. Thank you.
All right. You're welcome.
Okay. So while we're waiting
Salad stuff, so you don't have to
for some unicorn ice cream, this stuff is actually the best because my dad gets it for free for me all the time. So that's what it looks like. It's really pretty. Frozen unicorn poop. I like unicorns so much. You guys don't know how much I like. My whole room is unicorns. So I thought my dad thought that he would just get me some from his job because they just got it in stock from Smith Dairy. So if you use Smith Dairy products, you're basically using my family products because my dad owns the Smith Dairy. So, well, one of the Smith Dairy. He basically owns a place. You're eating my family products because like, my brothers work there. And like family business. So any Smith Dairy, I think it's the only one. So like. Yeah, and getting some my unicorn poop. Unicorn poop, get off, so I can eat you.
What is that?
My unicorn ice cream.
Oh, what? Oh, I couldn't do that. I think it broke my lip out last night. I think it got lime lemons in it. A lime. It broke my lip out. Sorry.
Well, I can eat it, so.
Oh, shit. Oh, I forgot. I ain't got no change. Oh,
Because it's from Daddy's.
It's an ice cream, but they just take cash.
They only do?
Yeah, I didn't get no money out the ATM either. I'll do it tomorrow.
What?
Get some money out the ATM. I ain't got another debit card.
Why do you need cash?
Hmm?
Why do you need cash if you don't carry it?
Huh?
Why did you need cash if you don't carry it?
Sometimes some places don't take debit card, like the ice cream stand. You
Oh.
have the cash. You can't use the card.
Oh, yeah. Their ice cream is better than home ice cream.
Mm-hmm.
Like, it's fresh ice cream, basically.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so we're waiting for some... Ouchie! Oh!
Mm-hmm. Now you can't talk.
Yes, I can. See, you guys, I'm talking. It didn't even hurt.
Now you can't talk.
It didn't even hurt. So, I got some...
What you talking on? Ooh.
I'm gonna put my ice cream back.
Some gave me the little jitteries. Am I allergic to something? I ate?
What did you eat then?
I don't remember. Some Italian sausage and some... I feel like I got the jitteries.
I like unicorn poop. Is what I call it. It was just a sprinkle. So basically, the sweet pumpkin and sour ice cream part in it.
You got a unicorn? What does it taste like?
Tastes good.
Looks nasty.
It looks nasty, but it tastes good because I'm a unicorn fan and you're not. It's really good. It looks like nasty, but it's good. I wouldn't lie to you guys. I do not eat a lot of weird stuff. I do crabs and lobsters and stuff like that. But no weird stuff.
Some white girls start messing with the niggas.
Huh?
What they gonna think?
Well, they'll get enough. Well, they need to stop messing with them white girls too. You don't kill yourself over. And I ain't just saying white girls. You can kill yourself with anybody. That's stupid. You know, they'll get enough of it. And she probably was doing some foul stuff. That's why you couldn't take it no more. That's what was going on. Maybe I gotta take me some for my hair return.
What if I dump the whole thing of salt in my... Big Bang Theory. I love those songs. But I can't get copyrighted. So can't go listen to it.
This is my water in it, JJ.
Don't you? Oh, never mind.
Oh, Jesus, my bad body hurt. I don't want to. Dante beat all my session last time he did.
Got some?
Hide him.
Got some?
Yeah.
I like pistachios.
You need to hide him because he'll eat the whole bag. Because he don't know how to eat normally. Ooh,
No more eat.
my body's tore from the floor up.
This is all salt. Oil and nut crap. It's like soap. Alright, let me get out the slime. Finally, because I like the inner.
JJ, what did you make a slime from what?
The ingredients I showed you. So, for some reason, go to there. Thank you. Keep losing my toothpick. Pistachios. Oh, there it is. I didn't lose it. Okay. Oh my god. It's there already, you guys. It's a whole slime. So we're going to leave that in for a couple more minutes because that worked. When I get done eating my pistachio, we're going to check on the other one. Because the rose gold one, when I'm going to check on because I really like this one and this handsome. So should be done a little quicker. See, it slushed on the sides. So that's it's thickening up like the other one did. And so that's actually a sign that it's working because the other one was like this texture when it worked, but like at the end part when it was breaking. So I know this is going to work a little faster. And it's a really nice color. So we know that the first one is working. And I actually did that with some type of other one too. This is body wash too. So I'm about to watch The Big Bang Theory. I hope I don't get copyrighted and y'all don't get to hear me. But I'm going to do a part 3. I hope you're not mad at me. Do the part 3 because I'm about to watch The Big Bang Theory. Bye. Love you guys.